Presenting Serene Floating Massage. Massage is a therapeutic art gently working body's tissue through soothing kneads and strokes, offering a symphony of physical and emotional rejuvenation. As your muscles unwind, massage enhances blood flow, sending fresh oxygen to your brain and clearing the mind. When stress burdens the body, a massage can melt away tensions and provide deep restorative relaxation. It can ease the aches of chronic pain, speed recovery from sport injuries, keep your muscles supplied, and sharpen your focus. Athletes, dancers, and performers often rely on massage to prepare for or recover from their demanding routines. Before a big event, massage warms up the body, preparing it for peak performance, while afterward, it flushes out toxins, preventing stiffness and soreness. Floating massage, which surrounded by the ocean, that puts you in a calm meditative state, the sound of waves to relaxes the mind, and the beach to boost your mood. Feel the island breeze. Using hands, fingers, elbows, forearms, feet, and mechanical aids, a skilled massage therapist applies varying pressures to unlock tensions and bring balance to the body. Massage can target multiple areas, muscles, ligaments, skin, or even the body's lymphatic system, promoting healing from within. While you're lying on a massage chair, the power of touch works wonders, calming both body and mind. Massage also fortifies the immune system, helping it recover from the strain of stress and function more efficiently. As circulation improves, toxins are flushed from the body, and the oils and lotions used during the massage help nourish the skin, enhancing its overall condition. Regarding your foot care, your feet, the unsung heroes of daily movement, carry your weight and endure long hours of confinement in shoes. Neglecting foot care can cause discomfort, pain, and posture issues. Basic foot care, a warm foot bath works wonders, relaxing tense muscles, softening skin, and relieving aches. Moisturize and protect. Hydrated feet prevent from cracking and discomfort, keeping your skin soft and healthy. There's a foot massage with numerous benefits. Foot massage stimulates muscles, enhances circulations, reduces stiffness, and helps prevent injuries. Relaxation, full body massage, light to medium pressure massage that smoothly eases muscle tension, encourages healthy blood flow, and leaves you refreshed and renewed. Therapeutic massage using medium pressure techniques across the entire body. This massage alleviates pain, reduces stress, and addresses specific concerns. Another service is deep tissue massage, applying firm pressure and slow, deliberate strokes. This massage dives deep into the muscles and connective tissues, releasing long-held tensions and providing immediate relief. Surrender to a therapeutic full-body massage, expertly crafted to target pressure points and deliver relief from pain and stress. Skilled therapists apply specialized techniques, focusing especially on the back to ensure your massage is tailored perfectly to your needs. unique journey of relaxation and celebration. Imagine floating on the stunning turquoise waters of Aruba, surrounded by serene island scenery. Our specialized treatments rejuvenate your spirit, elevate your mood, and celebrate your special occasions in style. Dive into tranquility with a turtle touch inspired by the serene, patient nature of turtles. This signature Swedish massage blends serenity and healing, easing muscle tensions, improving circulations, and promoting overall well being. Embrace the calm energy of turtle touch and let it guide you into blissful relaxation, washing away the stress and tension from your body. Afterward, the enthusiastic and attentive therapist will treat you to a special breakfast prepared by the skilled chef at Serene by the Sea Boutique Hotel. In celebration of the couple's special occasion, the attentive therapist provided an additional complimentary service to honor their 7th anniversary, with the warm wishes for many more joyful years together, completing their journey to peace and renewal.